When your design feels disconnected, refining the sequence through framing can instantly fix the flow. Today, how to design modern sequences. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by inserting 3 rectangular frames stacked vertically with equal spacing. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting crops so each step connects visually. Now select the background and apply a soft gradient flowing from top to bottom. Add thin line elements between frames to guide the eye, lowering their opacity. Duplicate one frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create depth. Use position tools to align everything perfectly.